Hello everyone, this is Vishal. You are watching MacTeller. Let's get started with this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create an AutoDesk student community account and get it verified. So I'm just writing on Google search bar student this Autodesk student login and enter. So first link is student community free software resources. Just clicking over it, you will get this page and you have to sign in. So you can check the page that you can download free software. So just sign in over here and sign in. So it will take me to a page where the credentials are needed, but I need to create an account over here. So I'm just clicking on create account and filling up the details. So first name and the second name, again the email ID. It should be the email ID which is currently you are logged in, because you will receive a confirmation mail. So again I have to confirm this above email ID. Okay, now I'm just choosing a small simple password which include all the parameters. Okay, and agree to the Autodesk terms and conditions. Now create account. Primarily it will take me to that page where I can see the products, but still I cannot download them or nor I can use them, because I have to verify the student account as well. So you can check the products, but you cannot download it right now. So these are some products which you can download. So I'm just clicking over Autodesk right now, AutoCAD, and then sign in. It's automatically get signed in, but you have to complete the profile. Now here you need to complete the profile. For the first step, it will verify your email. So you have to put your credentials, and you have to click on get a verification email. So I'm just logging in here and the password. So you can see a get a verification email. Just click over it and go to the inbox. You can check email is received. So open that email, click on verify email, and that's it. So email is verified now, but student account is still not verified. So it will again redirect you to the same page where you have to sign in, and it will show you that you have to complete the profile. Wait for some time. Yeah, see this complete profile is here. So you have to click over it and you have to put some details after putting your credentials, so obviously. So I'm just logging the Autodesk with the same account and verify. Again I have to put the password. Oh, something went wrong. Yeah, so I have to choose the country. So yeah, so I am in India, so India, and education role is student, so university, and date of birth. And make sure that this date of birth and this detail must match with your document which you're uploading. Otherwise it may not be verified or you may get into some trouble. So for the first time you have to write the first name of your college. It may display your college name, or else you have to choose, or you have to customize your college name. So with role, study area, so I'm an engineer, so engineer, and the enrolled to graduate, you have to fill this details 2021 and next, continue. Still you have to upload the documents, so it will ask you to verify. So just check your details. And after checking your details, you click on verify. So you have to submit one document out of 3 recommended documents, which is one of your result. Second is your any kind of letter, confirmation letter from your school or college, or your college ID or school ID card. Here I'm just going with the result because I have it right now. So I will submit the result, and I will submit this transcript in PDF format. So here are the 4 options in which you can submit. So I'm going with the PDF. So clicking on browse, and I have to locate the file where I have kept this PDF. So this is my PDF, and then submit. Now from here you have to wait for at least 20 minutes, okay, and it may take 20 plus minutes or may minus minutes, but on average 20 minutes, and it should be verified. If it is not get verified, you will get another 2 chances to verify your account with different documents. But if you exceed the 3 times, you will be blocked from Autodesk community for 48 hours, I guess, and then you have to try it after 48 hours. So I'm just checking it again and again that my account is verified or not, and you can check the email as well. You can see this is not verified. Okay, so I have to again upload this document. Maybe something went wrong, so I'm just submitting it, and I'm sure that it will be verified. Again I have to check it for a couple of times, so I'm just waiting. So you can check that I got this confirmation mail that my account is verified, and I can download the product. So you can see the options are now available, that which version, which operating system I need to download, I want to download. So you can use Windows operating system software, or you can go for the Mac, as I said. So for the Mac, I will show you in the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and comment your doubts, and tell me how I can help you, and what kind of content you need. So here I'm just showing that Autodesk already I have right now, so I'm not installing it. So that's it.